How to plant azalea flowers as air cleaning plants and ornamental plants. Azalea flower is one of the flowering ornamental plants that have beautiful flowers. When viewed from the physical appearance, this flower is almost similar to bougainville flowers. However, this azalea flower looks fresher than bougainville flowers. Flower color is also more striking. Generally, azalea flowers are bright red or pink and also white. Not only beautiful, azalea flowers also have other benefits that are good for human health. This azalea flowers is one of ornamental plants that have the ability to absorb air pollutants that pollute the environment and can interfere with human respiratory health. So no wonder many people planted this azalea flowers in their home or planting azaleas in pots and then planted in the house. Here's how to plant azalea flowers. 1. Preparation of azalea flower seeds. Azalea flowers are a kind of bush plants. How to multiply azalea flowers can be done by stem cuttings. How to obtain azalea flower seeds is fairly easy. You just need to prepare good quality broodstock, healthy, and avoid pest attack. Cut the stems that are old and have good quality using a sharp knife. Cut with a sloping pattern. Remember, tilt and use a sharp knife because it will affect the results and quality. After the stem is cut, the stem can be directly planted to the planting medium that has been prepared. 2. Planting of azalea flower. Before planting, prepare first. Planting media that need to be prepared is a mixture of soil and organic fertilizer, either compost or manure. Combine the two ingredients with a ratio of 1:1. After the planting media is ready, the prepared seedlings can be directly planted with a depth of about 5 cm to 10 cm. Once the seeds are planted, put a little pressure on the ground to keep the seeds stuck perfectly and stand firm. After that, do not forget to give enough water. 3. How to care for azalea flower. Like other plants, azaleas also require adequate water intake to grow well. In addition, also do fertilizer regularly about 1.5 to 2 months once the plant nutrients are met. Also do weeding of plants if needed. So we are discussing about how to plant flower kinuic and maintain it as ornamental plants. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.